Alright, welcome back to another session of learning Unity with me. And I think where we last left off, we were, I think we were instantiating the particles, right? And we do it, let's open our script in the block. So yeah, I think I did it like this just because I wanted to get practice using this range and also serializing the field. Let's see. So, and our block destroyed, we would trigger a sparkle VFX method, and we essentially create a game object in which you clone the prefab of our particle, which we have over here. We just drag and drop the prefab object onto there. This creates a copy of it at this instance of the block's position and the rotation, and then we destroy it afterwards after a set period of time, because if we don't destroy it, it actually stays on memory, and we don't want that. And we have this delay because we still want the particles to play. We just want to destroy them after they're done, essentially. And let's see how that looks. That was kind of poor. Alright, I think that's a glitch. I think maybe I need to move the lose collider a little bit closer. So that would be in the, let's go prefab. I think it's in the play space. So the lose collider, press W. We're just gonna move it a little bit upwards, and then we might also extend it a bit. I think that should be good. Alright, then it automatically updates, or it should. So we go back, we go to our play space. Yep, update. Alright, cool. So let's see. I can't really test it. Alright, let's move on. So that we already did this. Now we're going to be learning how to use tags in Unity.
In this video, we're going to be learning about tags in Unity, and we're also going to be creating an unbreakable block. So let's get started on that. First of all, I want thing to look at in here is tag.
Alright, let's see. A tag is a reference word which you can assign to one or more game objects. For example, you might define player tags for player-controlled characters and an enemy tag for non-player controlled characters. You might define items the players can collect in a scene with the collectible tag. Tags help you identify game objects for scripting purposes. They ensure you don't need to manually add game objects to your scripts, expose properties using drag and drop, thereby saving time when you are using the same script code in multiple game objects. Tags are useful for triggers in collider control scripts that they need to work out whether the player is interacting with an enemy, a prop, or a collectible. For example, you can use the game object find with tag function to find a game object by setting it to look for an object that contains the tag you want. The following example uses game object dot find with tag and instantiates respawn prefab at the location of the game objects when the tag respawn. So, oh, you can use JavaScript. What? So let's see. Respawn game object find with tag respawn. So let's go ahead and do that. So we gotta create a new tag. Oh, it's right here. Oh, I put block. Uh-oh. I think that might mess up with my code a bit. Yeah. So I guess I should have messed with it a bit. Wait, this is just a single block. Wait, what happened to it? Delete that. Yeah, they're all blocks. So yeah, I think the only script that we gotta worry about would be the ball. So block or pedal, and we could just say breakable. How do I click all of these? Yeah, I don't know why I deactivated them individually. That would have been a waste of time a bit. But oh, what's that doing here? Alright, so you're trying to create the tags for the block. So I guess we have to add tag. So we're gonna call it breakable. Oh god. There probably has to be a better way. Let's go. Oh, this is 2012 though, it's kind of old. But actually I just realized something. So we have all of them. Then we just set to breakable. Let me see if it still works considering I did update the code. Nice. Ah, man. Oh. Alright. So we created a blockable, and yeah, I guess that was it. Oh, right. I keep forgetting about that property, about the prefabs. So now in level 2, they should be fine. What? Why'd all of these go disappear? Oh, is it because I disabled the block? Yeah. My bad. So I was messing with the prefab when I shouldn't be. But now all of these should be breakable. Wait, what? Well, they should be breakable. Just quick test run this. Why did it go slow all of a sudden? Game status. I think it was 85, wasn't it? Let's get to the game status. Yeah, it was 85. That was weird. Oh, I didn't know about that. Oh, it gets destroyed 2 seconds later. Oh, that's pretty cool actually. So those are the objects right here. Oh, alright. So we're gonna create a. I wonder which one they copy. I wonder who they copy though. So we're gonna change that value to make sure that we don't use that. Kind of like a blackish. What? So I copied the you made it a little bit grayish, kind of. So maybe we could hit like, oh god, it's untagged. Oh wait, this is untagged. It was, oh no, it's game canvas. I think we're gonna have to create another tag called Unbreakable, and then we're gonna set all the properties of this one to Unbreakable. So this one should not be breakable. Let's see. What? Oh, I guess I got to change that in the script. So block destroyed. Oh, I see. And then probably have to do like, and the game objects tag is not unbreakable, and then it probably doesn't break. But I'm gonna let them do it because I don't want to mess anything up anymore for now. So I think tag is like a property of a game object, and let me just double check that if that's true. Here it is, tag. Because I remember we need to get to transform, and yeah, if we just need to get to transform, and I think that's why. Let's see. Oh wow. Alright. So I think we got that done. In two places. What? I know one of them is here, but oh, maybe this one. You just mentioned an issue where because we hard coded this, like let's say later down the line we wanted to change the name of the tag, we would need to remember to change this or else the code wouldn't work. I mean, I guess it depends if your IDE would tell you, but I guess to solve this issue you would do something like this. I'm remembering this from some of the classes that I've taken, and they say this is a good way to do it. So like Breakable, we would have essentially a constant, right? I don't know how you would create a constant. Let's see here, constant C#, constant x. So you would do like something like private const. How do you do final? I wonder how you do final. Is that final? Is constant final? I think so. Final. What is equivalent to Java's final in C#? Keyword has several usage in Java. You have to do sealed. How about variables? Public, read only. Public, read only, double. I think I'll just stick with const. So essentially we get a const string, and then it would string tag or something. Tag string or something like that. It would say breakable, and then because and then if we have all of our our strings like in a specific location, we at least, and also with a good name to kind of describe what it is that it's holding, then we can kind of group all of the hard-coded string variables together and then see, oh yeah, I changed the tag for this one. Like instead of trying to look for it, let's say if you have a huge project where it's like a bunch of lines of code, instead of having to go through all of that, and even control F, maybe you forgot the name or something, you would just look here and say, oh yeah, it used to be breakable, let me just change that to destructible, and then it'd be fixed. I think that would be the solution to whatever he has to say, and I think I'm just gonna leave it like this for now. Let me see if it still works. compiler issues, semicolon. I think I have to set it. So should nice. Alright, works still. Nice, nice, nice. I'll be on a trip. Oh right, I forgot about that. So we also do not want to count the block if the tag, or we only want to count if the tag is breakable. Because, you know, it'd be kind of unfortunate if the user were to destroy everything and then no bug occurs because, well, it counted these blocks too, but you can't destroy them. Yeah, I think that's a good choice too, because yeah, that looks kind of confusing when you first see it. So just by naming it like what it does, it helps with the readability, and I like that. So essentially, what was this for? Oh, because I think he had this only while I cached the reference, which is fine. You know, I think it's fine. We're gonna create a method called private void, and what was it that it did? I think it, you know, it counted the blocks. So count blocks. And we just call that. Or count block, maybe. Oh, that's why he did it. Yeah, I guess, yeah, that might be better though. Change all occurrences. So I wonder if, let's go to our level script, just to make sure it did that. It did not. Dang it. It did not. And then we also needed to probably do the decrease breakable block. No, actually, that's fine. That's fine, I think. Because we are, you know, decreasing it, the breakable blocks. Alright, let's just see if it's level does not contain definition for count blocks. Oh right, because I changed it. I mean, that's not a method. Level count blocks. Level count blocks. Maybe you didn't compile? Alright. See if I can get rid of all of them. Oh, that's close. Oh my. Come on. Almost there. Oh, I think it works. I think it works. Actually, we can actually check it. Let me see. So we gotta go to the game status or the level. Was it level? Yeah, I think it's a level. Okay, so yeah, 24, which looks like it. I'm gonna believe it works. But no, I think I'm just gonna leave it for there. Oh, I realized 32. I'm gonna finish this video and I'm gonna end it today. What happened? Oh. Alright, cool. So I'm gonna end it here for today. So I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.